Question 8. Which of the following choices correctly describes the composition of the cell membrane? Now, the cell membrane, like we already know, regulates what goes into the cell and what comes out of the cell. And the composition of the cell membrane include proteins. We have what we call phospholipids, which is basically phosphates plus lipids. We have cholesterol. We have glycolipids. We have glycoproteins. Now, having established the components of the cell membrane, let's try and answer this question. Which of the following choices correctly describes the composition of cell membrane? Does it contain only lipids? From what we are saying, it doesn't contain only lipids. So this option is wrong. Does it contain lipids and proteins? Yes, it does contain proteins, and it also contains lipids, although in form of phospholipids. So this is correct. Let's look at option C. Does it contain lipids and cytosol? It contains lipids, but not cytosol. The word cytosol is actually what a lot of students call cytoplasm, because the fluid or jelly-like material that you have inside the cell is what you actually call cytosol. The cytoplasm in itself is actually the space within the cell that houses all these other organelles. But in any case, since a lot of people confuse the two, cytosol is taken to be synonymous with cytoplasm. But in any case, in this cell membrane, we don't have cytosol. The cytosol is actually inside the cell membrane, not part of the cell membrane. So this is wrong. Then option D contains only proteins. As we can see, it doesn't contain only proteins. So the correct answer is B.